Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fix Sephora gift card not redeeming. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix Sephora gift card not redeeming, the first thing that you can do is check the gift card status. Ensure the gift card is active and not expired. Confirm the balance is sufficient for your purchase and verify using the correct gift card and PIN. The next step or method that you can use is make sure you're on the correct platform. Redeem online at www.sephora.com on your browser or in the official Sephora app. Then ensure the gift card is valid in your country. Sephora gift cards are country specific, like US cards won't work on Sephora UK, etc. The next method that you can use is enter the gift card information correctly. Simply type in the gift card number exactly as printed and then tap on me icon on the bottom. Then simply scroll down, select account, then inside select payment or gift card option and try the gift card right there and check if it has been redeemed or not. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.